Hey, here's my Brondell bidet. I've had this for like 3 or 4 years and I use it every single day and I love it. I know it's awkward to admit that you use a bidet, but once you buy one of these, you're gonna love it. This thing is so easy to install. I didn't want to unhook everything, so I have it half set up right now, but it's gonna come with a supply line and it comes with a T here. This connects to where your supply line goes into your toilet, and it tees right off to your bidet. And to install this, take your toilet seat cover off, and this lines right up with your holes on your toilet seat. All right, so we got my toilet seat cover back on and the bidet is set up. Your water comes out right back here. There's a couple different functions here. You can kind of just spray it down just to kind of clean it out and flush it out. I'm gonna turn it on really slow, trying not to get splashed in the face here. But yeah, that comes down and that's what sprays out and does the cleaning. Your handle right here, this is conveniently located right here. Pretty easy to operate, and like I said, it's awkward to admit you want one of these, but once you get one, you're gonna love it and you'll want to keep one forever.